Locating the serial number on your Gucci item.
Hello there. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to find the serial number on your Gucci item. This number is significant as it aids in verifying the authenticity of your item.
What is a Gucci serial number?
The Gucci serial number, also known as a controllo card, is a unique set of numbers and letters assigned to each Gucci product for identification. This number allows Gucci and you to verify the product's authenticity.
Where is the Gucci serial number located?
The location of the Gucci serial number varies depending on the product type. Gucci bags. For Gucci bags, you will typically find the serial number on a leather tag inside the bag. This tag is usually on the back side of an interior pocket, and it should be embossed with Gucci and Made in Italy, along with the serial number. The serial number itself is usually represented in two lines of numbers. Gucci watches. On Gucci watches, the serial number is generally etched on the back of the watch case. You'll need to turn over your watch to view it. It's usually a string of numbers and can be found next to the model number. Gucci shoes. In case of Gucci shoes, the serial number can be found on the inside of the shoe, stamped on the leather lining. You may need to remove the shoe's insole if it's obstructing the serial number. Gucci clothing. For Gucci clothing, the serial number is typically found on the care label inside the garment. It might be a combination of numbers and letters.
How to verify a Gucci serial number?
To verify a Gucci serial number, you can take the product to a Gucci store or a trusted luxury goods dealer. Alternatively, numerous online services provide authentication services for a fee. Please note that Gucci themselves do not offer an online authentication service using serial numbers. That's all there is to finding and verifying the serial number on your Gucci items. Remember, a genuine Gucci product always comes with a unique serial number. If you're unsure about the authenticity of your product, it's always a good idea to seek professional help for verification. Thanks for watching and happy Gucci shopping!